the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, my dear friend, we start. Did it ever cross your mind what foods and drinks are halal or haram in Islamic law, and what is the reason behind prohibiting and allowing some? Let's find out.
Allah Almighty mentions in His holy book, يا أيها الناس كلوا مما في الأرض حلالا طيبا. O people, eat of what is good in the earth, as mentioned also, وَيُحِلُّ لَهُمُ الطَّيِّبَاتِ وَيُحَرِّمُ عَلَيْهِمُ الْخَبَائِثِ. He allows them as lawful what is good and pure, and prohibits them from what is bad and impure. So, Allah allowed us the pure food and prohibited the impure and harmful ones. And this is a rule in permitting and prohibiting. This is from His kindness Almighty on us. Allah has permitted many kinds of foods and drinks and forbidden certain things. Halal is all food and haram is the exception. And this is also a blessing from Allah.
Now, let's start with the drinks that are prohibited and permitted. Allah has permitted for us pure water, honey, yogurt and milk that is produced from the pure and halal animals that we're allowed to eat. Juices such as orange juice, pomegranate, grapes and many more. And the drinks that are taken out from the plants and trees like tea, coffee, ginger and many more. We were forbidden to drink wine, beer, alcohol and impurities.
As for wild animals, Allah has permitted for us all types of cattle such as goats, sheep and cows, in addition to all wild animals that do not have fangs like giraffes, zebras, rabbits and many more. And we have been deprived of every one of the predators such as lions, leopards, cats that prey using their fangs. And we have forbidden certain things such as donkeys, pigs as an exclusion from the rest, and forbade us from eating the impure of animals such as rats, mice and insects, and the animals that eat the carcass like dogs, and any animal that produces toxic substances such as the snake.
The Prophet ﷺ said, "It's purifying and its dead animals are lawful to eat." What does the Prophet mean by this phrase? It's the sea, and everything in the sea is halal to eat, like the fish or whales in its different forms and types, even if it was predatory under the sea. And the meaning of the phrase, dead or lawful, is that the marine creatures can be eaten without being sacrificed.
As for birds, many types are permitted for us to eat, such as the chicken, ducks, geese, turkeys, pigeons, wild birds and many more. However, it was prohibited for us to eat any bird that has talons, which is used to attack its prey, such as the eagles, owls, hawks and falcons.
As for vegetation, Allah has permitted for us all types of fruits, vegetables and seeds that do not harm the human body. Therefore, we are prohibited to consume any plants that are anesthetic, poisonous and causes harm to the human body.
So, this is the halal and haram for the drinks. This is the halal and haram for the animals, and all marine life is halal. This is the halal and haram for the birds. This is the halal and haram for the organic food.
Now we have a challenging question and a search question. The search question: what is the ruling on eating amphibians such as a crocodile? Challenge question: what are the inanimate that we are allowed to eat but we occasionally eat it? Think of the answer. And Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.